Hey rates, welcome back. Today we're doing equations with brackets, exercise 7e. So I'll give you a chance to copy down these tiny little bit of notes. And don't worry about the examples because we don't know how much space to leave, so I'll do them with you. Alright, so equations with brackets. You need to know something, it's called the distributive law, but you don't need to know that word. It's expanding brackets. So all you do when you expand brackets is the number, or whatever the term is out the front of the brackets, you multiply that by each term inside the brackets. So in this case we go 3 times x, which is 3x, and then 3 times 5, which is 15. So the answer here is 3x plus 15. If there were 3 terms inside, like a y as well, then you multiply the 3 by each term. But in this case, that's the answer, 3x plus 15. And the next thing you need to know are like terms. So if you've got 3x plus 4x, they are like terms because they're both x terms, is equal to 7x. And same if you've got numbers, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Alright, now we're ready to do the examples, and then it's up to you to do the rest. Okay, so the question would say solve for x, or for the pronumeral. So we've got 3 brackets, x plus 4 is equal to 18. So the first step is, we multiply 3, we expand the brackets. So the 3 multiplied by the x, 3 multiplied by the 4. So you get 3x plus 12, and that equals 18. So that's the first step, and now it's really easy. We've done this a heap of times before. Minus 12 to both sides, 3x equals 6, divide by 3, and you get x equals 2. That's it. Let's do the next one. We've got 2 brackets, 3x plus 5 is equal to 34. So expand the brackets. I'm not even going to put the arrows in this time. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 5 is 10. So 6x plus 10, and that equals 34. So can you see there's just one extra step that we haven't learned? And once you do that, then this equation is really easy to solve. Minus 10 from both sides, we get 6x equals 34 minus 10, which is 24. Divide both sides by 6, and you get x equals 4. Excellent. Let's do the next one. So you notice here we've got brackets with the 4 in front, so we can expand those brackets, but we've got this plus 3x there. That's just, we leave that for the first line. So the first step, all we do is expand these brackets. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Be careful of the sign. So that's those brackets expanded, and now we've got a plus 3x, we write that in, equals 57. So now we have to collect like terms. We've got 8x plus 3x is 11x. Minus 20 is equal to 57. Plus 20, remember we want to get rid of minus 20, so you have plus 20 to both sides. 11x equals 77. Divide by 11, and you get x equals 7. Note my workings out, show each step, and it's all nice and vertical. Excellent. Let's do the last one. So this incorporates what we did last lesson as well. So we expand the brackets first. 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 1 is 2. So 6x plus 2 is equal to 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. So we expanded the brackets on both sides. Now what do? We notice we've got x's on both sides of the equation, so we get rid of the lowest value of x. So we're going to minus 6x to both sides. So 6x minus 6x will give us 0, so we're just left with 2 on that side. 10x minus 6x is 4x. And we've got minus 30. So that's an easy equation, but I like having the x's on the left, so I'm just going to swap the sides over. So I've got 4x minus 30 is equal to 2. So I did nothing. All I did was swap the sides. Plus 30 to both sides, 4x equals 32. And divide both sides by 4. 4 8s are 32. So the answer is 8. Excellent. So what you should be able to do is expand brackets. It's called the distributive law. You don't need to know that word. And then all the skills from the previous few lessons. So x is on both sides, get rid of the lowest value of x, and then you know how to solve the rest of the equation. Good job, everyone. 7e, 1 to 6, you can do all, that's the important bit. That's all the main work. And then I said that you can try 7 to 10. They're problem-solving questions. They might be pretty tricky, but have a go if you can, but make sure you do 1 to 6 all. See you soon.